Your 2014-2020 Toyota Corolla key fob uses a CR2032 battery that typically lasts 1 to 3 years. Replacing it restores important remote functions like locking and unlocking your doors and trunk release. This is a simple DIY task that saves you from expensive dealership fees. We'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. The most obvious sign is a dashboard warning. Your car's display may show a message like keyless remote battery low with a battery icon. This appears when the fob's battery drops below a certain voltage. Another symptom is reduced operating range. Normally, your key fob works from several feet away, but with a low battery, you may need to stand much closer to the car for it to respond. This happens because the transmitter signal weakens as battery power decreases. Intermittent operation is also common. The fob's buttons may work sometimes, but not others, or only certain buttons respond. This inconsistency occurs because the battery can't maintain steady power to all the fob circuits. If you notice any of these symptoms, dashboard warnings, reduced range, or intermittent operation, it's time to replace the CR2032 battery. Most fobs need replacement every 1 to 3 years, depending on usage and temperature conditions. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool, and optionally a plastic shim to protect the fob from scratches. CR2032 batteries are widely available, but consider quality brands like Energizer or Duracell for longer life and reliability. A small flathead screwdriver helps pry open the fob carefully. Alternatively, use a pry tool from a repair kit. An optional plastic shim protects the fob from scratches during opening. Locate the seam on the key fob. There's usually a small notch. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side up. Use the screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out. Be careful not to damage the surrounding components. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the key fob. Ensure the correct polarity by placing the positive side up and the negative side down. The battery should snap securely into place. Always double-check the battery orientation to ensure proper contact and avoid damaging the key fob circuitry. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them together until they snap shut. Ensure the casing is fully closed. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons. The LED light should illuminate. If the key fob doesn't work after replacement, double-check the battery orientation. Make sure the positive side faces up as shown on the fob. Ensure the contacts are clean. Corrosion can prevent proper function. Use a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol to gently clean any buildup from the battery compartment. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. Lithium batteries should be recycled to prevent environmental harm. Check local recycling centers or battery collection programs. Consider upgrading to newer fobs with digital key compatibility. Modern vehicles often support smartphone apps for keyless entry, reducing the need for physical batteries.